Welcome to SC Custom Designs. You can tell we're at a different stage of the process. All the books are gone. So pick it up from here, lovely one.
Okay, so while you were gone, we let the glue dry and I made a template that I used to mark where I want to put my buttons through.
So those black dots.
Yes, they're evenly spaced and we will use 33 buttons to tuck it on the other side.
And she made this template, by the way, just to put those dots on there, which is, wow.
Which is needed.
Yeah.
So now we're going to lay this flat and I'm
Okay.
going to put the layers on. So the first layers are the foam batting. This is polyfill and polyester, and I used it on purpose. Normally I like natural materials, but I chose the polyester fiber fill because it's going to be really puffy and porous and it will push out. It also won't harbor germs. I'm not cutting it to size, as when you tuft it pulls the fabric together, and so we're going to need extra room for that, and we'll cut off the excess at the end.
I'm getting closer to you this time because the first video I had to turn captions on just to know what you were saying. In the event you're wondering, why am I so close?
Okay, so this is centered well, and it's even all the way around. Now I'm going to get the faux leather.
Do you need my help?
Yeah, do you want to help me first?
I can help you.
Keep that in. And if you look that way. Now what we're going to do is pause the video for a while I use the template to mark the front. Thanks for watching.